If you don't know what to sell on Amazon, the easiest way is to go look at the Amazon Best Sellers page and see the top selling products. You can check my previous video about product research. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you the most popular categories or products on Amazon. ChatGPT is a great tool for starting an Amazon business from scratch, but it lacks product data and sales information on Amazon. So, if you are taking product ideas from ChatGPT, reconsider your decision because there is no guarantee that the product will be profitable. If you've got a niche from ChatGPT but you don't quite know if it's good enough, this video is really going to help you out. I'm going to use Tool4seller to help me do a little bit more research. First, I will search the seed keyword dog bed on Tool4seller and see what long tail keywords it will give me. I'll download all the keywords. It's good that all results are ordered by the search volume. Grasp top 35 results and go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT how to improve the product based on the keywords and search volume. It literally went through all these keywords and summarized what I can do, so I may consider the improvements like the size variation, elevated and orthopedic options, ramp and step options, durability and washability, outdoor and waterproof options, calming and heated options, and etc. Another way to do product research is to analyze your competitors' product titles. Here, I will copy all the product titles and ask ChatGPT to analyze what they have in common. That can help you understand what exactly customers want from this kind of products. Let's dive deeper into competitor research by analyzing their reviews. Sort product reviews in ascending order. The minimum number of reviews for this product is 76. Let's see how many it sells every month. It sells 3,505 units every month. That's a lot. So, if you want to start with this item, you don't need to worry about the sales even though you only have a few reviews. With ChatGPT, you can know what people are saying about your competitors' products and see what they're not happy about. I'll grab a few reviews from shoppers who have bought from the competitors. Again, I use Tool4seller to download reviews and then paste them into ChatGPT chat box. After that, just ask the tool to give you the lowdown on what's good and bad about the product. The weaknesses of your competitors should be something you care about most. You can turn them into the sales points of your product. It will help you increase your conversion rate and stay ahead of the competition as well. Tool4seller's AI review analysis will be available soon, which can help you understand your competitors' strengths and weaknesses and find a gap in the market. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tools for Amazon sellers. If you don't see a feature but would like to have it in Tool4seller, leave it in the comments below. We may add the feature you want.